Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn on a laptop. By the end of this class, you will learn to turn on any laptop. So stay with me till the end, because most times the end always has the most information. So now here are laptops. This is a laptop, this is another laptop. Before you even try to on any laptop, first of all, make sure that it is charged. If it is not charged, plug it to charge it, because without it being charged, it will not turn on no matter what you do. So if you confirm that it is charged, gently open the laptop lid. Gently. Be gentle. Gently open the lid, just like I did now. Gently open the lid. Unlike a desktop, a laptop has its main four parts attached together. When you want to turn on a computer, look for a particular button. There is a particular button used to turn on a computer. This button usually has a symbol that tells you that this button is used to turn this system on. That symbol looks like this. It can come in different shades, colors, but this is what the symbol looks like. No matter the shade, no matter the color, it must have the circle and a line through the circle. That is the symbol. Once you see that symbol beside any button or in any button, just know that that particular button is used to turn on that system. Now let's find the power button on these two systems. Here is the power button on this one is the power button. As you can see, this is that symbol we are talking about. This symbol, it might not be as clear as you think. Here is the symbol, this symbol. That is what tells you that this button here is the button to turn this laptop on. Now let's look for it in the second laptop here. Let's look for it in the second laptop. Here, this one is clearer. Are you seeing that symbol there? Here is the symbol. This symbol. So it tells you that this button is used to turn the laptop on. Some laptops have their power button positioned here in the middle on the right side, or you can even find it within these buttons here, below here, anywhere. It can be located anywhere. Just know that you must find a button that has that symbol. Once you see a button that has that symbol, that is exactly what you press. Now let's turn it on. Press that button once, just once. So when you press it, you leave it. Don't interrupt it. Don't press it. Don't be in a haste. Don't say I'm in a haste. Oh, this thing is not turning on. Allow it. The system will start booting. First of all, it should start by showing you the logo of the operating system, which is Windows. You just saw it now. So after all the processes of booting, it brings you to the login screen, where it asks you to type in your password or your PIN, depending on which one you are using on your system. So here I'm using PIN. Use the keyboard to input your PIN correctly. If you input the PIN correctly, it will take you straight to the desktop, and here is the desktop. Your laptop is now on. You can do whatever you want at this point. It's booting. This one is showing you the name of the computer, HP. The other one shows you the name of the operating system. They are still the same thing. It will show you a logo, the name of the computer, or the name of the operating system. Even this one is also using Windows operating system. So that it didn't show you Windows does not mean that it is not a Windows operating system. Like here, this is Windows logo. This is Windows logo. So here, this one have also brought you to the sign in, where you put in your password or your PIN. That is if you set password or PIN. If you did not set it, if I click the sign in, it will take me straight to the desktop. But if there is password, if I protected it with a password, it will bring the same screen where I will have to input my password, but there is no password in this particular system. So if I click sign in, it will take me straight here to the desktop. Are you seeing it? And now this laptop is on. You can start using it here. And that is exactly how to turn on your laptop step by step.